Redirect stdout to a file in Python. How do I redirect stdout to an arbitrary file in Python? When a long-running Python script, e.g., web application, is started from within the SSH session and backgrounded, and the SSH session is closed, the application will raise IO error and fail the moment it tries to write to stdout. I needed to find a way to make the application and modules output to a file rather than stdout to prevent failure due to IO error. Currently, I employ NoHup to redirect output to a file, and it gets the job done, but I was wondering if there was a way to do it without using NoHup, out of curiosity. I have already tried sys.stout equals open some file, w, but this does not seem to prevent some external modules from still outputting to terminal, or maybe the sys.stout equals ... line did not fire at all. I know it should work from simpler scripts I've tested on, but I also didn't have time yet to test on a web application yet.
If you want to do the redirection within the Python script, setting sys.stout to a file object does the trick. A far more common method is to use shell redirection when executing, same on Windows and Linux.
There is context_lib.redirect_stout function in Python 3.4+. It is similar to that can be used on earlier Python versions. The latter version is not reusable. It can be made one if desired. It doesn't redirect the stout at the file descriptors level, for example. Not redirected and echo this also is not redirected or not redirected to the output.txt file. To redirect at the file descriptor level, os.dup2 could be used. The same example works now if stout_redirected is used instead of redirect_stout. The output that previously was printed on stout now goes to output.txt as long as stout_redirected context manager is active. Note: stout.flush does not flush. See Studio buffers on Python 3 where I/O is implemented directly on read/write system calls. To flush all OpenC Studio output streams, you could call libc.flush none explicitly if some C extension uses Studio-based I/O. You could use stout parameter to redirect other streams, not only sys.stout, for example, to merge sys.str and sys.stout. Example: Note: stout_redirected mixes buffered I/O, sys.stout usually, and unbuffered I/O operations on file descriptors directly. Beware, there could be buffering issues. To answer your edit, You could use Python daemon to daemonize your script and use logging module, as at Eric85 suggested, instead of print statements and merely redirecting stdout for your long-running Python script that you run using NoHup now.
You can try this too much better.
Quoted from PEP 343, the with statement, added import statement. Redirect stdout temporarily. Used as follows. This isn't thread safe, of course, but neither is doing this same dance manually. In single-threaded programs, for example in scripts, it is a popular way of doing things.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.